This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdoch. Welcome to Iron Horse, one of Suffolk's newest communities. All brand new 2 primary bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms in the Charlotte floor plan. This has spacious, open concept living room and dining areas, along with a kitchen and pantry closet. New ceiling fans keep you feeling comfortable in this sparkling condo with all the upgrades. The second floor includes the bedrooms and a loft, perfect for guests or home office/gym. Outside is a private fence patio with a storage closet attached. Community pool, clubhouse, play areas, etc. ready for immediate occupancy. Non-smoking unit, no pets. For more information, review the details below.